Hello, folks. This is Aman Kapoor, and today I'm going to be talking about a few differences between personally owned life insurance and group insurance provided to you by your employer. So, before I do that, let me talk a little about life insurance very briefly. Life insurance is a promise, is a document issued by the insurance company in the name of the owner and the proposed insured, stating that if there is a death of the proposed insured, there would be a payout equal to the amount of the face amount of the policy or the benefit amount of the policy to the beneficiary, tax-free usually. So, therefore, life insurance becomes a promise. It is a source of financial protection to your loved ones, to your family, to those who are related and connected to you. So you can acquire life insurance either directly, which is personally owned, and that is typically done with the help of an advisor, a broker, or an agent representing one or many insurance companies. It can be it usually is a result of a needs analysis that is done on the basis of what your needs are, and you then define the insurance plans on the basis of your needs. It's a portable plan in your ownership. You can take it to wherever you want. It is not confined to the four walls of your employment. There is a lot of flexibility and portability as far as the insurance plans are concerned. The insurance plans which are personally owned are also a result of, usually a result of a detailed medical underwriting. So when that is done, there is a stronger and a far more affirmative approach to be able to assess the risk. And if your health is better than average, you can be, therefore, entitled to preferred and elite rates that can be lower than standard insurance rates. So it's well underwritten, it is portable, it is in your ownership, it is got it is a result of your needs analysis, and it therefore customized to match your needs. Let's talk a little about what happens when you take a group plan. A group plan is basically some sort of a benefit offered by the employer over and above your income, and it comes as a benefit package. And group life insurance is one that is provided by the employer to you. It is owned by the employer, and therefore the coverage and the benefits are therefore defined by the employer, and they are not actually defined by you. However, if you want to take anything additional, you then have to apply separately, and the same provider that provides you a group benefit can also give you additional insurance, which could be personally owned. The cost of group insurance is lower to you, so that is one advantage. But then the policy, group insurance that you get from the employer is strictly confined to the period that you are employed by that employer. So if you change your job, then in all likelihood, you will lose that coverage. Now, in some cases, you make that insurance personally owned, and it helps if you have health issues, but in most cases, it may not be that cost effective. Therefore, it is important to have a personally owned life insurance policy. The important aspect about personally owned life insurance policy is that there are so many aspects to a life insurance policy that can be brought together and can be tailor-made and customized to form a solution. So it's not just a product. When you own something personally, you have the ability. It's like, having your own recipe to cook something really delicious. So what happens is you bring in the things that are most important to you. So on the basis of certain needs, You may take term insurance on the basis of certain needs and certain estate planning goals and certain income replacement goals. You may take some permanent life insurance. You may want to have more tax sheltered growth in your policy, so you may take a universal life policy. You may want to have protection in the event of an illness by way that you receive a tax-free payout upon getting ill. It would be a critical illness policy. And you may want multiple members in your family, including your spouse and your kids, all structured in a way that the policy can encompass all those needs. That is the power of having a personally owned life insurance. On this note, I would like to say, please feel free to contact me, and I would be happy to articulate the differences between a personally owned life insurance policy, a personally owned insurance solution, as opposed to a group plan, and how you can benefit from customization. Thank you very much. Make it a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.